System design. Now that we have discussed the exchangers, we need to talk about system design. The design for your home is the design that your HVAC contractor comes up with to effectively heat and cool your home. The contractor will visit your home or review your house prints and conduct what is called a manual J calculation. This calculation is the tool used to determine what the actual heating and cooling load is for a specific house. This calculation takes into account the specifics of your home's envelope. A home's envelope is the outer shell, the part of your home that is responsible for keeping you hot or cool. It is a measurement of your home's insulation value and the heat gain or loss and the infiltration rate of your home. This is step one of the process, and if mistakes are made here, they will amplify later into poor performance of your system. New homes are a little bit more resilient to these mistakes, but when we look into retrofitting an older home, these mistakes can be catastrophic. The process merely involves a comprehensive review of your home's blueprints and an application of that data to the software. In an existing home, though, the procedure is very different. Many times the home has been added on to or changed and modified since construction. In this case, a comprehensive audit of the home is required to ensure that the correct values are used. Step 1 should be an energy audit of your home. An energy audit should include thermal imaging, insulation verification, window analysis, infiltration report, blower door testing, house orientation on the lot, a comprehensive report in writing with recommendations for improvements. After you have received the report, it's important to note that the best money that can be spent on a home is on envelope improvements. Following the steps to improvement in the report will do several things to help you. By making your envelope better and/or improving the insulation values or reducing infiltration, it is not uncommon to reduce a home's heating and cooling load by a full ton, if not 2, depending on the home's condition. The money spent on envelope improvements is a savings that's realized before any other work is done. By reducing the load, you're reducing the amount of money needed to be spent on equipment as well as constructing the closed-loop or open-loop exchanger. The second benefit is that it will cost less money to operate, given that you have reduced the load. It is also true that if you have a leaky house, you need to heat and cool it as inexpensively as possible. Sometimes a home cannot be improved, or the cost to do so does not fit the budget. An example would be homes that are governed by historic district regulations, or homes that were purchased for aesthetic reasons that trump efficiency.